Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device. Uno know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, I have a piece of attack class for Japan. Uno you see. My wisdom warriors, a pure bangarang a drop left, right, center. Pure bangarang. Uno remember yesterday when me there show the video with Peter Bunting and one whole heap of bangarang in a parliament. I remember so they turn off the mic. Well, I get the piece of clip you see, my wisdom warriors. Yes, somebody was actually in the parliament videoing it and I get piece of it. You know what? I want to take in and then we elaborate. Hear this. My wisdom warriors, wanna hear them a tell Peter Bunting, them a tell the PNP say a headline them a try to make, then can't make headline after 3 o'clock. Wanna see my wisdom warriors, this is why me tell you say, when Andrew Holness walk out that morning, that very morning, when Marky G a slap him left, right and center, then plan for stage a walk out. Me tell you no. So you hear them attack about a headlines PNP want go. How PNP want to make headlines? How they want to make headlines when they never know say this man, this Senator man, Tom Tavares, now go make the man finish his statement. Remember, so the whole reason why they walk out, are just because they don't want to allow him, to finish his statement. Because them are disrespecting, my wisdom warriors. And that's why they walk out, Because them a tell lie, Them a tell lie. They not be truthful. And PNP, they cannot take it anymore. Because Andrew Holness administration is a lying party, my wisdom warriors. Listen, me can't say them a liar. Because them come out and tell lie all the time and not hide. Them always come out and tell lie. Everybody know that. All a young baby know that. So my wisdom warriors, when I hear them come out and talk about headlines them a try to make, but headlines have to make before 3 o'clock. You know, say, I plan for them walk out. Because they know, say, Marky G a drop it left, right, and center, and then can't go take it. So then plan and stage a walk out. My wisdom warriors, everything that is bad with the JLP do, they always try to switch it on the PNP. You never know what is? I always tell you no. Everything them do, you always hear them say a PNP do it. One of them do it, You hear them talk about try to make headlines because of that. Them do all the time. That is what they do. You get me? And then get away with it so much time. Now they can't come out and throw out pan people. Jano. But don't tell me one thing still. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this.
Draw my tongue in here today.
If you come into the arena, you're going to get response. If you come. On this side, we don't sign undated letter of resignation. And no.
My wisdom warriors, you hear where the man say on this side and the PNP side, they no sign undated letters. When you hear them something there, them no sign undated letters. So me telling about the Jamaica Labour Party, this is all they do, man, crooks them, Them are crooks. And when they get their way, they mad out and stress out and come out and tell pure lie from PNP. And that they do. Them plan them lie and plan how to start distracting people. Them are mislead Jamaican people. But them things say are really PNP them are hurt. Are the Jamaican people them are hurt. These Jamaica Labour Party. Them things say PNP them are hurt. But it's not PNP. It's the Jamaican people that get hurt. The Jamaican people. You understand me? Because them always a go round way. Them always a go round way. And they always a promise with this and a promise with that. And nothing no change, my wisdom warriors. Nothing no change. So you hear that they want the Tom Tavares about draw tongue. Eh? You hear my chat off his mouth. I go on. You see where my behave? And them a people here I represent we. Them a people here, you know, are the face of us. Them a people are the face of the Jamaican people. Me can't believe it. Me can't believe a pure hooligan in the Jamaica Labour Party, and then they come out and go on like them nice and talk about good governance, you know, and we care about this. Lie, my wisdom warriors. The whole of them is a suspected criminal I need to put behind bars. The whole of them is a suspected criminals. Don't forget they're under investigation. They're under investigation. So when you see them go on like this, them blood a boil. Because then we do everything in their power to stop the PNP from win. Because they know some Mark Golding are going to put them behind bars. I think them no know. Mark Golding said so the whole of them for held accountable. At that Mark Golding say. You understand? So they know where Mark Golding depend. Them know that. So then try everything. Them try everything in their power to put down the PNP party all the time. You get me? And sometimes they really think say are the opposition them are hurt, you know, or Mark Golding, but it's really not them. It's the people, the same very people. Because look now, a lot of people don't have water, and a long time they don't have water. Because Andrew Holness promised to run pipeline and all now, and he tell we say I'm going to take 3 weeks to run it. But look, 3 months, 4 months gone right now, and all now nothing. The question that we need to ask is, when is this man going to hand in his resignation? When is he going to hand in his resignation? We are waiting, Andrew Holness. Stop play deaf. Stop play blind. You know, so we want you out of Jamaica house. You know that. We don't want you in a garden house. And I like you know Andrew Holness. You know. So why you keep up a fuss? Why you keep holding on? What are you holding on to? Look how much money you want to take away. Look how much money. You must a trillionaire by now. Especially with them money I will just drop. You have to turn trillionaire. Probably you're the richest man right now in the world. You get me? So one more. If you love Jamaican people, leave. Hand in your resignation. Leave us alone. Leave us alone, Andrew Holness. You and your wife, Juliet Holness, leave us alone. Because the only thing you care about is on a pocket. You don't care about the Jamaican people. Look how long. 4 weeks now. 4 weeks now. And the people in St. Elizabeth do not have light. And they don't have water. 4 weeks now. I hear Mark Golding come out and talk about it all the time. And nobody not help. Nobody is not helping. Not one soul. This is why I always call upon the people to unite and go out and protest. Protest in our groups. Come out in our hundreds. You can't just leave everything for Mark Golding and I say, PNP now do not no stop tell lie. PNP is doing a lot. PNP do a lot, but you see how it go. The only thing PNP can do is oppose. Andrew Holness is the government. See, when him ready going then go in a House of Parliament and pass bill as them like and as them please. And no matter how Mark Golding is against it, they doesn't care because them are the government at the end of the day. Them have the handle. And really and truly, and them have the power in their hand. And we the Jamaican people, have the power in our hands. But if we don't use our power, Andrew is going to keep on trampling on us, my wisdom warriors. And it won't stop. He won't stop until we do something about it. We have to come together. We have to unite and do something about this seriously on a serious note. Because this is going left. Everything is going left, and we can clearly see that the government of Jamaica doesn't care about the people. He promised the people, but he doesn't deliver. Notice what Andrew Holness bill, infrastructure, it's always a private partnership thing he's dealing with, nothing for the Jamaican people. Now, if you understand, me always tell you, say the only thing me see him do at the little house them when give out to 1 and 2 people. You understand? Me always say that, that's it. But I haven't seen him doing anything else. Everything else, infrastructure, blah, blah, blah. I know him do it. It's always a private thing. Stakeholders, investors, and them get all of the money. And probably Andrew only them get some little cut out of it. Even the tourism. Look at the tourism. We only get 15% of tourism. What is that? What is that? And look how much tourists come to our island. And we only get 15%. And every day you see Edmund Bartlett a skin off in 31 and Andrew Wallace a skin off in 31. All the time. So it look like them I get cut out of something where we don't know about. I'm only saying. You understand, my wisdom warriors? Could it be? Because if we them claim say a lot of tourists is visiting Jamaica and we only get 15%. And the stakeholders them get the rest. That means that who really making the money? It is the stakeholders and investors, not us. Not us. So why is Edmund Bartlett skidding off his 31 all the time? And that me want to know, my wisdom warriors. Why does he do that? Because we only get 15%. That now do nothing for Jamaica. So when me see them a clap and yay and day and ray, could it be they're getting millions out of that or even billions and we don't know? My wisdom warriors, we have to ask these questions. We have to really ask these questions because something not right. Something is really not right in our country. You get me? And I believe Andrew Holness should hand in his resignation and the time is now. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, you can reach me on 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.